BMW enthusiasts, get ready to dream big. A new digital concept is setting the internet on fire, and it might just be the bold vision BMW needs for its next-generation supercar. Meet the BMW Ethos, a stunning concept car imagined by independent designer Sebastiano Ciarcia, inspired by BMW's legendary M1 and infused with futuristic technology and bold design language. Although BMW M has officially confirmed that a new halo car is in development, possibly a spiritual successor to the original M1, details remain scarce. That hasn't stopped the design world from imagining what such a machine might look like. Ciarcia's Ethos concept in particular is drawing serious attention for how well it blends BMW's design heritage with cutting-edge ideas for performance and propulsion. At first glance, the BMW Ethos looks like it could roll straight onto the lawn at Villa d'Este, Italy's legendary stage for automotive elegance. Fittingly, that's exactly where the car has been digitally rendered, alongside iconic designs of the past like the BMW Skytop and Touring Coupe concepts. With a champagne gold finish and low-slung, wide-stance proportions, the Ethos exudes elegance and speed. But this isn't just about looks. The car's design is deeply layered with references to past BMW legends. The signature kidney grille has been reimagined with a minimalist, body-colored surface and a small offset BMW roundel, evoking models like the BMW 503 and 507 from the 1950s. Up front, LED headlights are integrated cleanly into the sculpted intake shapes, resembling futuristic endurance racers like the Peugeot 9X8 Le Mans hypercar. The profile is sleek and aerodynamic, with sculpted fenders and a glass canopy that gives the car a jet fighter-like appearance. Partially covered rear wheels offer a nod to classic Italian exotics, while the rear end boasts a full-width LED light bar, active aero spoiler, and a massive rear diffuser, completing the high-performance look. And what lies beneath the surface? This is where the Ethos sets itself apart. Instead of a traditional gas-powered V8 or an all-electric drivetrain, Ciarcia envisions the Ethos as a hydrogen fuel cell supercar. It's a bold move, one that positions this concept as not only a design vision, but also a call for more sustainable high-performance vehicles in the hypercar space. The designer says this setup would deliver performance comparable to modern hypercars without the emissions guilt. It's a fitting counterpoint to current rivals. Ciarcia lists potential competitors like the Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale, Aston Martin Valhalla, and Ferrari F80, not to mention the Mercedes-AMG Vision 111, a rumored all-electric supercar from Stuttgart. But the BMW Ethos stands out by offering a unique blend of heritage styling, performance innovation, and alternative energy thinking. The name Ethos itself is significant. It signals a core philosophy, a belief that BMW's future should be built not only on performance and design, but also responsibility and forward-thinking propulsion. That makes this concept more than a fantasy car. It's a statement. Sebastiano Ciarcia, the mind behind the Ethos, is no stranger to bold ideas. A graduate of IAAD and a veteran of top brands like Alfa Romeo, Fiat, Rimac, and Volvo, he's previously gained attention with his reinterpretation of the Lancia Delta. Now with the Ethos, he's taking on BMW's legacy and future in one daring stroke. While this isn't an official BMW project yet, it has certainly sparked conversations about what BMW's upcoming Halo model should look like. If Munich wants to reclaim its supercar crown, they might want to give Sebastiano a call.